good morning, everybody. Let's do a quick sound test. Before we start, I want just to let you know, I might crash. I have some issues with my computer. It's frustrating, but I might crash. If I crash more than once, we'll try once, and after that, if it crash again, I'm done. I do not want to be distracted. I'm really ready to get a lot of payouts, everybody. And starting the day really good this morning. So let's go through all the accounts. I don't know if you guys can see. Travis,
Yep.
Can everybody sees?
Yep, we're good.
So a couple of accounts here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 accounts in the green, guys, already coming into this morning. So I took a nice long overnight, and now I'm short the market. I'm thinking we might go back to the 750s, 700 at one point this morning, retest that area for a liquidity grab. I might be wrong, I might be right. So far, I'm right. I'm making a little bit of money. Top step. Let's go through the top step accounts now. So if you look at the bottom, I don't know if you guys can see the bottom properly on top step. Hold on. Like this. So those are good too. I finally reversed my loss on the Express account. I had finally got my 150K Express account last week. I started trading it yesterday. I had a loss on it. Now I have a profit of $800. So now I'm up $500 in the account, on the Express account. This account, almost about to pass. If you check 156.5, I have $2,500 left. This one, $3,500 left. And this one, $2,700 left, which means that I stand a chance to have 1, 2, 3, 4 top step. And really top step, as I mentioned before, is my only PIV. That's the only one right now that I don't have. It's like I just got back into top step, trading the top step accounts, okay? And I have to go very slowly on all of this. I have also a 50K account and a blow up an account there below. So guys, it is what it is. Yeah, it is what it is, a day at a time. See, now I am up in Q. What is this here? This is how many? 3. What do I have? 7. I'm going to lower that here. Let me see, because I'm short right now, as you can see. Why is this one long? This is not right. Oh, this is not right.
Order filled.
This should be long.
Order filled.
You have to be careful, man. Shit like this can screw your account big time. As a matter of fact, hold on.
Order filled.
It's too much. It's too big of a position.
Order filled.
See, I want to be wide this morning. I want to be wide like this. Okay, next one. The 50K account, I don't care. It's for rebill and getting credit. This is my funded account. I have 1 MNQ. I'm going to add 1.
Order filled.
It's looking good. It's looking better. I'll put a stop loss here around the 15. And I have a little buffer here to play all those accounts, right? So this is good. Let's see what's going on here. I have a couple of positions open also here. So guys, we're starting the day at almost over $10,000 now. You know, I got this intra-night long, and I'm getting the rebound. So I'll go very slowly, very methodical, because if you look at those top accounts, I'm eligible for another payout here, another payout here, and another payout here. Okay, on take profit. 1, 2, 3, 4 payouts I could take, right? And as a matter of fact, they are sick and tired. And I showed you yesterday that they are sending me to the live account. They are sending me to the live market now. They don't want to see my face anymore. You know, they are like, dude, get out of here. So it's a good thing. I'm excited to get another Pro Plus account, 90%, 90-10 split, guys. What else, Travis? Daily payout.
Well, end of day trailing drawdown is the biggest.
What?
The trailing drawdown. You have end of day drawdown instead.
End of the day drawdown as well. Yeah. And the guy who made a $1.6 million last week, he has only 4 TPT live accounts. So I'm excited about this. So here's the proof, because everything is proof in this world. If you go to our group, by the way, it's still free to join. If you look in the description below, you can join our Think Wealth Differently private group. 300 members, very, very sophisticated traders, very advanced traders. So here's the email I got for them, and you can see, congratulations, Mark, on moving to the pro account because I made $10,000 in one day. So because I made $10,000 in one day, they sent me to the live, which is fine. You know, I don't give a shit. Funded or live, that's how I make money anyways. Does that make sense, everybody? So your likes, comments are appreciated. This has been a nice journey for the past 4 weeks. I think we are setting up the game now for a very, 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 very strong end of November, December, and leading to 2026. Because leading to 2026 now, I'm having 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 funded, plus 3 Lucid Apex, 16 plus 3 TraderFi straight to funded, 19 plus the top step here. Where is it? What do they call it? The XFS, the Express account. So 20. And I'm putting myself in a situation to pass this top step, this top step, and this top step. Those 3, if I don't screw it up, if I go mechanically, and you know, guys, sometimes you are $2,500 away like this of passing and you blow them up. You know? So I don't want to blow them up. I want to pass them. If I could get those 3, I would have 4 top step 150K account, which would complete the entire empire and universe of those 13 years plus another 6 that I have on Lucid Apex, Lucid Project X, and TraderFi Project X. So I'm really excited, you know. Today we are going to probably have an inside day, guys. You know, we can look at the power indicator together. Let me move this now. And let's get back to work now. So how do I minimize this here? So let's go to the probability power indicator. We are going to go to one shot. And here's what I think. I think we're going to stay in the box, Travis. I'm going to erase everything. I'm going to erase everything. We're going to start our work clean. So I think we are going to go down. And I think we're going to look for the liquidity grab maybe around here, guys. Oh, sorry. Here. 715, Travis, 680.
Yeah, I'm looking at the zone 730 to 670, 660. So right in that same area.
The 660, 728. And you can see already that I am short still. Look, I'm short here. Oh, man, fuck, I'm making another $1,200.
Yeah, it's going down to the 730.
Oh, man, I'm doing extremely well. Oh, I just made $1,000 on the Express account, guys.
Excellent.
Wow, I just killed it. Oh, wow, the trade worked perfect. It stopped me everywhere. Shit, I should have had larger target. Look at the Express account, 1,100, Travis.
Excellent.
And I am still making the money on the, I'm still making $1,800 now on Take Profit. On Take Profit Trader, I'm making $1,800. Oh my God, I'm going to take it. I'm going to take it. It's coming to my target. It's not letting me go. Oh, Trade.We is freezing on me. Trade.We is literally freezing on me. I need to get out of this $1,800 here. What the fuck is going on? Trade.We is freezing on me. I need to get out of those shorts. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Which account is it? Why it's not letting me go?
Order filled. Order filled.
It's not like letting me go. What's going on with these people?
Order
filled.
No.
Order
filled.
Here.
Order canceled.
filled.
Ooh!
Order filled.
There's also...
Order filled.
Okay, I'm out. I took the $1,500. There's another account open somewhere with $160. Another Take Profit. Hold on. Here. And bang. No, this is MNQ. And boom.
Order
filled.
Shit, we did even better than yesterday. Whoa. Look all those eligible payouts now. 1, 2, 3, 4 payouts. Boom.
That's
On
good
Take
stuff,
Profit.
Mark. You
What?
should. That's good stuff. You should definitely lock out some of those accounts.
Hold on, I have Top Step too. Hold on. Did I get out of Top Step? Shit. Hold on. Let's look at all the accounts on Top Step. I'm out of this one. I'm out of this one. So I want 157 here, 156 here, 157 here, and almost $6,000, $7,000 in profit just with Top Step. So the only freaking account I didn't do anything on was my Trade.We Project X, which I can trade now on the long side, I guess. Let me see. We killed it, man. That's beautiful. I got the long and I got the short since last night. Using the power indicators, guys, everything was here. Over $10,000 of money. From here, the top of the calculator, to here, the order blocks. Boom, divisions. From both sides to both sides. Like literally over $15,000 in profit. Probably even close to $20,000 in profit today. It's 9:35 and I'm done, Travis.
Yeah, that's a great start to the day for sure.
I am looking for a 660 possible long. But I'm going to do it with micros now. I'm not screwing any of those accounts. Agreed?
Absolutely, yeah. Just micros for now. And some of the accounts you shouldn't even trade.
Order filled.
Ooh, what happened? Hold on.
Order filled.
Order filled.
Oh, they're all connected. No, I need to take the copier out. Hold on. Let's not screw it up. I'm going to take this out, this out, this out, this out, and this out. Maybe I'll copy only 3. I'm looking at 660 kind of a
Order filled.
660. I'll put our stop loss at yesterday's here. And then let's see what happened. I'll risk $150 because I've done so well this morning. Here.
Order submitted.
So let's see what happens. Notice I unplug the copier on a lot of accounts. Well, maybe those 2 accounts. What is it? The Take Profit and Tradify. I don't know. I'm going to get out. I don't like to risk.
Order
Order
filled.
I
filled.
think I should not risk more than an account or 2. Correct, Travis? Let me see which ones have big money. I should risk the one that have big money today. Well, the trade day is already maxed for the day. Average max profit. You know what? One account at a time now. One account at a time. So if I am wrong, only one suffers.
Order
Order
filled.
filled.
And that will be this one. Only one. So that'll be one of the take profit that doesn't have a lot of money anyway left. So
Order submitted.
I want to see if there's long between 640 and 680 people. It's starting to be cold here in Atlanta. Not cold for you, but cold for me. Huh? Okay, let's get back to the power indicator. See, I have a 639 division there possible. Wow, we nailed those shorts so freaking perfect. I mean, today, it was a good day. That being said, I am not passing the top step yet, Travis. I need to be a little bit more aggressive, maybe on the top step. Hold on. I need to be able to see the tail on the Russell. Here we go. Russell rebounded pretty well. Volume indicators going up. Is the long going to hold now? I don't know.
Yeah, I'm long 1 micro now from 86.
I'm going very slowly, only one account.
Yeah, that's exactly what I would do, Mark. 1 account at a time, and like you said, some of them don't even trade.
I mean, look, if it was not for the feed, everybody, I would not even trade now. Like I would not do the circus here. So they send me to the live account now. So I'm waiting any days to be sent to the Pro Plus after making $10,000, guys. So this is also going to be excellent. And let's see what happens. Yeah, let me regroup with my top step account here. And let's refocus now. I'll tell you something. I want a tea. I think I deserve a little bit of a tea now. I can grab my tea. I mean, to tell you the truth, I want to pass those top step. I did not max the top step, Travis. I'm $2,300 away of passing.
No, just go slow on that. I did just get stopped out here on my micro long.
Yeah, see what I'm doing, Travis? Only one account. I'm not going to sacrifice or take a risk on all the accounts now.
Yep, that's what you got to do.
Guys, I've killed it. Can you sort by PNL? Look at this. Look at this. I freaking killed it. Really did extremely well today. Good morning, everybody on the feed. So just to let you know, I was long from the 650, guys, the bottom of the division there, where you see this white line. It's our division of the power indicator. And then I was short towards the top of that division. Plus, there was the rule of third box, which you can see right there. So I really took from the long here intranight to here this morning, and then I took a short, let it back up lower high, and I took a short. So one short, two short, one long. Do you guys see that on the feed? Yes or no? That's how I was able to make an insane amount of money this morning. Do you guys see it? The logic, everybody. Yes or no?
Nice job, Kathy. She got it with the puts again today. The QQQ options. Good job, Kathy.
Kathy listens well when I do things. Wow, we are back at the 43. I'm glad I did not copy all the accounts, Travis, and I have not touched the top step yet. What's the crypto doing? They are rejecting the 3,500 on Ethereum? I don't know. I am very tempted to buy here the 630 area again. Travis. I'm going to try an MNQ here. Oh, I missed
Order
it.
filled.
I missed that 630. I missed that
Order
630.
filled.
Yeah, that could be an entry. I mean, we have our division there. Yesterday,
I like that 640, 620 area. Started building micro longs here.
not bad to get confirmation above 670 though, to add into it. Remove at least back to 730.
I like that we trade only one shot. 15-minute shot. Maybe I should go and put it as a let's put it as a 5-minute shot. I thought this morning was going to be tricky, but I got lucky. It's very good. It's very, very good. Very, very good. Where can he go if he break? He could go all the way back to, let me see.
Well, my bottom zone, bigger picture is that 580 to 490.
I like that
Right there.
629. I like this division here, power indicator, 630, 595. If he goes there, I'll try a long again. I'll add to a long or move to another account and add a long. But I will go micro because I really nailed all the moves this morning. I nailed the long to the top and I nailed the short. So I'm going to go very, very carefully. And I am $2,500 to pass the last 5 accounts of the Empire, which is top step. I mean, if I wanted the Empire to be complete, I would do the 20 Apex. That would bring me at 40 accounts. But I hate Apex. I hate their trailing drawdown. I'm too old for that shit. Agreed, Travis? When I see this kid who made $1.6 million with 4 Take Profit Pro live, I said, that's all I need. That's all I need. Now, to be fair, he built the account, I've been told, to about $150,000, $175,000 each account. So he was able to take 10, 15 contracts, Travis, and ride 100, 150 points for 3 days. you know. Well, I'm not going to cry, guy. I'm eligible for 4 take profit account payout now. If I don't go by, I go by net liquidation value. This one, this one, this one, and this one are eligible for payout. This one, $4,000 payout, $4,000 payout, $5,000 payout. This one, $500 payout. So I'm good with that. Oh my God! Look, it's going to hit my.
Yeah, we might get that
What?
We might get that 580.
It's going to hit my stop here on the one. Thank God, Travis. I unplugged the copier and I just say, you know what? We've done well today. We're only going to use one sacrificed lamb. I'm buying one here.
Order filled.
I'm buying one, guys, long 600. I think this 570, it's the moment of truth. If it doesn't hold, I just took one long at 600 at top step. We'll see. It's bad. The market is bad here. Let's see the day trading screen. Let's see the day trading screen. What's up with that? Let's remove everything. Let's start fresh. I mean, fuck, are they going to go all the way to the red dash now? 491, 420? They could go here, guys, if they don't hold the division of the power indicator at 615. If I don't see a retracement back above 615 soon, I will have to get out of that short. We already established the IB low, the open range low, so it's 635, Travis. Wow, I had the shorts in my hand, and my TP was too tight, and it took everything.
Yeah, I'm disappointed that I didn't hold my long either.
No, my short, you mean.
Or short, yeah, sorry. And yes,
I think I should not touch my top step XFA now. I don't know. We'll see. I'm surprised we are not holding the 620 now, because that pushes to the 400, guys, the 450s. This short is, I might have to take the L on that short, that long, after I made the profit on those shorts. Yeah, I don't like the tape for the longs. I don't like the tape for the longs here, guys. It's becoming worse and worse. SPY is what, 683? I have a division on the power indicator of 682.5. What about the ES? I need to see the ES. Yeah, the ES is on. If it doesn't hold here, the 73.66 on the ES, we have a problem. So here, this is the order block buy here on the divisions of the power indicators. The Russell is not super weak, Travis. The Russell. I want to see the 4-hour chart now. Yeah, that inversion here is not good. That inversion from the power indicator top, from those high and high here is not good. The question is, do we go as low as this here? Do you guys see that on the stream? Give me a quick yes, no. Do we go as low as this, as the bottom of the calculator of the power indicator, around the 450? Do you guys see that? Yes or no? I don't know, because the ES looks like it could hold the 466 now. The ES looks like it could hold 466 here on my tools. If it does not hold 466, we'll go back to 425, 625 right there. So I'm looking at those order blocks very, very carefully now. I don't see the VIX too well. $6.15 is the key area, and we are not able to regrab it, Travis. I think I need to get out of there and eat. Since I had a great morning, eat the 188 loss and still keep 500 on this account. Yes? Or wait. Maybe wait.
Well, I mean,
Is there a report?
I don't think so. As long as you stay above the 580, then I still like the long.
I do not like the long until you're above the open range, the 635 area.
Yeah, there's no reports today.
Look, guys, look at the power indicator, measure zone 666 plus the open range low here. If we don't regain that, there's no long. The long only comes if we cross this, recross that, and go. Now we're in a situation of retest that and go down and complete at 450 the inverse head and shoulder from the 4 hour. I'm starting to not like the long now. I think I'm going to take it because I made so much money on the long intranight and the short, but unfortunately my shorts at TPs and all my TPs got hit. It went boom, super fast at the open, right? That being said, I'm not going to cry. I have like almost $20,000 of accumulated profit today. So maybe I'll take the loss on this one, or maybe I wait for the block test and then get out of it and maybe see if the shorts continue. I'm thinking the only savior this morning could be this look on the left side. My order block support on the ES between 66 and 73. 66.73, yes, is holding. Otherwise, we go complete all the bottom of the power indicator, meaning 680 if we fail the 8250, 680. If we fail 680, on the SPY, we go 680. But Russell and ES are doing fairly well here, guys. So I don't know. Around the 635, I might get out of that long. What about top step? I took those longer 600 as well. I am very tempted to lock my XFA, guys, today. Look at my XFA. What do you think, Travis? I'm afraid it becomes chop suey, but then if it's a great move.
Well, lock it for 15 minutes or an hour or something.
Can you guys see the XFA at 1500?
Yeah, we see it.
Yeah, not only 1500, but I need to be very careful because I am 1, 2, 3 accounts to pass, another 3 150K accounts to pass XFAs. And that would complete the painting and the empire of my 20 accounts of good company with no consistency rule, end of the day trailing, even the straight to 400 TradFi and Lucid, they are good accounts, but I need to do 20% consistency rule on those. So let's go. By the way, your likes and comments are appreciated. The only firm right now that I like that I promote with the code PPI are Take Profit Trader and Lucid Trading. The Lucid Trading, I like their straight to funded account because you have a $6,000 drawdown. See? Fuck, I didn't go out. I spoke and I didn't go out of this. I need to get out of this one.
Order filled.
And I think the shorts are in command, guys, for now.
Yeah, we couldn't hold the 580. It's looking pretty bad.
No, it could go all the way to 450. Look, I showed you here. This is the part. If we tank, we go to the power indicator division. which is close to this inverse head and shoulder right there. Everybody sees that on the stream, please? I'm trying to help you guys. And I don't come more than an hour and a half when I come on the feed. And that's the last time I will go on the public feed this week, because I usually stream on Tuesdays and Thursday every time. Everything else I trade alone, or I trade with the private group in the morning, guys. Okay? But I want to show you the probability power indicator in action. Okay? So this is very, very powerful right there. Well, I don't want to chase the short either. I'm going to go do a refill of coffee. I'll be right back. I'm thinking we might go to that 450 now, but 635, Travis, is a better re-entry. 635. I'm waiting. I'll be right back. Travis, it's all yours. I'll be right back.
I'm liking the long a little bit more now. It's holding above this 580. It might only make it to that 630 area that Mark's talking about. That's the opening range low, the 15-minute opening range low, 635, 637. And then yesterday's initial balance high is right in that area too, the 650. So that whole zone there, that 630 to 660, we were looking at that 660 as the bottom of that first zone. So 630 to 650, 660 could be a resistance area off of this, but I do like the long up to that. All right, so we're up to testing the opening range low here. So if you're long, I would definitely take some profits and just leave runners at this point. See if it can break above the 660. Or if it gives us another setup for a re-entry short.
Yeah, if there is long, guys, now we need to hold the 85, and the long is better above 640, guys. But I see the possibility of going all the way down to 450 inverse head and shoulder 4-hour chart. You need to be very careful now. We have been rewarded. We killed it on the downside. You know, it's probably over $20,000 of profit here, guys. So look, not one account is red this morning. Look, all the accounts, green, green, green. Many are, all the tech profits are ready for another $16,000 in payout. I am not going to like overtrade now. The only thing that I need to be careful is to lock. I made a little money there on that rebound with the top step as well. $1,200 on my XFA. I was losing $400, $300, I think, yesterday. Now, when I started the XFA, Travis.
Yeah, it's down $300 or $400.
So I have a balance of 800. So I don't know. I have to go slow. Most importantly for me is I need to pass those 3 accounts. This one, and this one. It's the top step. I told you, I put the vision last week for you guys. Top step is the, you guys don't see. Top Step is the only company that right now that I have only one XFA, one funded account. If I could get the other 4, I would have the entire empire there. Remember, the long will look better above 640. Okay, 640 area. You don't get trapped, but so far the ES look is holding perfectly my buy block. Look on the left side. I told you buy block 666, division power indicator 673. It's holding perfectly on the ES, and the Russell is pretty strong here, Travis, you know. But look at the scenario. I gave you the scenario here. Scenario 1. We cross above the 640, hold the 640, and go back to the 780s, 800s. Scenario 2, we bump 640, we reject, and we go do the inverse head and shoulder 4-hour chart at the bottom of the power indicator of 450. So those are your only 2 scenarios right now. That's it. And looking here at the power trend box, net seller on the institutional side, net seller on the major block, minor block, and trend. That gives me the impression, besides ES and Russell, that the NASDAQ should go down. So be careful. Also, the volume indicator there, Travis, look, is printing net sellers again. Yeah? Do you see?
Yeah, it's starting to hook down. Got some support below though.
So this is the moment where everybody should be careful and not rush. You might want to wait at the IB, the initial balance, hourly high and low. But it looks weak here for me, Travis. Okay? It looks like they may go for this inverse head and shoulder at the bottom of the power indicator calculator. There's 2 scenarios. They hold that division at 606 and 640. So 606, 640 right now, where we are, is this, Travis. If we can hold and recapture above that, guys, and do a cross above, retest, go, that's a nice long. Otherwise, be careful because it's a retest completion to the bubble, which is the inverse head and shoulder. Does everybody see this? I'm giving you the play-by-play there. Everybody on the chat. Yes, no? Everybody on the chat, guys? I'm trying to help you guys. If you are, if you are, if you are, if you are engaged, I'm engaged. If you are not, I can go, because to me, I'm pretty much done for the day, guys. I've done over $20,000. It's going to be gym time for me in about an hour. I really do it for you guys, like literally for you, and show you that the power indicators are the bomb. If you understand that this is not an AI, this is a patent pending, not patent pending, patented tool right there. Indicator suite that took 2 years for the US TPO office to grant the patent. It's unique in the world, right? I'm crushing. I am probably one of the only founder of software trading in front of people like this, showing you day in and day out, week in and week out on Tuesday and Wednesday, how it's being done, my retirement accounts, all of the shebang that we do with the indicators. Incredible tools that helps us map the market in real time. So now look, we regain the 640. The longs, if it stays above the 640, 620, the longs look better, but be careful of that possibility of the reject to the bubble. So I'm waiting, Travis, I'm very tempted to wait 10.15 or 10.30 now. Agreed?
Yeah, if you're not holding runners long at this point, then yeah, you might as well just stay out and wait.
I just want that shit to settle now. But I showed you that the ES here was holding pretty well the block so far. That's 66, 80. Be careful, it might reject 85 now on the ES. I'm going to put a bar in the middle of the power indicator line, no, it's right there, 686. This could be a problem. This could be a problem where the ES goes back, reject back down here at the 65. The volume indicator is not good, Travis, so far. There's a divergence, price and volume indicator here. Net sellers here, net buyer here, we regain here, but Russell and ES are strong. So I look at those divergences between market. This is why I have the ES and the Russell on the right, and the SPY there in the middle. My 600 entry on Top Step was pretty good, Travis. I mean, it was not the bottom. What was the bottom? 64, man. Oh.
Yeah, it went into 60s.
Guys, today we will do giveaways on Thursdays. I'm giving away some part of the softwares. I will do a raffle before I leave today, and I will be back next Tuesday. I come and trade with you guys. Yesterday, $10,000. Today, over $20,000. I am going to be eligible for payout for this Tech Profit account 159, so about $4,000. This one, $5,000. This one about 4, a little bit below 4. So it's 9,000, and this one about 4,000. So about $13,000 of payout plus the 500 here if I wanted to. But then, of course, you have to give them the 80/20s. This is why I'm happy they send me to Pro, guys. They send me to Pro Plus now, so they don't want to pay me anymore. That's fine. I want the Pro Plus. Travis was yesterday was, why are you crying? You're getting another Pro Plus. And the guy who got $1.6 million last week, he has 4 Pro Plus. So Pro Plus is better because, look, I explained it to the community. If you join for free our Think Wealth Differently community on School, which, by the way, let me give you guys a link. I don't even know where you get a link. What do you get an invite link to? share.
I don't know if there's an invite link. Yeah,
Maybe this one. But I was sharing with the guys yesterday that I was sent to Pro Plus. So I'm going to tell you what I like and what I don't like on the Pro Plus. You know. And by the way, for the new people, if you want to join us for free, it's 24/7 with a very advanced tight group of 300 great traders that I have been trading with for the past 10 years to 15 years. So here it is. They send me to freaking stupid Pro Plus there. You can see the email. Hi, congratulations, Mark. And congratulations for your $10,000 day. As outlined in our Pro agreement, is mandatory if a trader reaches $10,000 in profit with a single day on their profit account. And like a stupid idiot, I let it go 10,000. So trick number one with take profit, if you want to take payout after payout after payout, do not let your profit go above 10,000. Stop at 9,800, 9,900, because otherwise it will trigger the sell-off. Everybody clear online? I cannot see.
Yeah, but I wouldn't even recommend doing that because you want that Pro Plus account. Just because the biggest thing is like I said, the drawdown. It's an end-of-day drawdown as opposed to intraday. So
what I like is taking as many payout as I can from the funded accounts first before they oblige me to go to the Pro, because unlike Top Step, the only starting capital I have with that is $4,500. So they are freezing my $5,000 now. Do you see what I mean? I would love to go to Pro Plus all the time because of the end of the day trailing drawdown and 90-10 split, as I explained here in our community group post here. You know, those are the nice thing, you know. 90-10 split, no cap on payout, no consistency rule. Right, but it's only $5,000. They don't let me take all my money. So like for instance here, if you look at my account, I would love that they change their policy where they would move $9,000, Travis, $8,000, $8,000 into my Pro Plus as a starting capital. But they don't want to do that. They want to pay you 80-20 and just you freeze 5,000, and that's your starting capital on the Pro Plus. Guys, see, they sell again. So my theory of the invested and shoulder and my theory of rejecting again the ES just happened. And it just happened before it happened. I told you just before it happened. Okay? So there is a possibility of going to 450 now. The better buy is right there, guys. It's the 420, 450 buy.
Order filled.
They are selling up this thing, Travis. You know? They
got right up to that 660 we were talking about, and
no, they might sell it all the way to the 450. Like we need to see if that invested and shoulders in play now. You know, we need to see that or not.
Order filled.
I need to see, to tell you the truth, I probably need to trade my TraderFi account and my Lucid Direct Project X accounts this morning. You know, because I don't want to touch any of those TraderVate accounts. You know, those 16, 15, 14 accounts, I don't want to touch them. They're all green. Does that make sense? Like I mean, yeah, I mean, what am I going to do more than, I mean, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 13 green out of 16 accounts, and the other 3, I didn't even touch them. Look, 0, 0, 0, 0. I didn't even trade them. They are backup for later on if I want a long rebound or tomorrow. Like I rotate them now.
Yeah,
I
I mean, you
I don't
probably
want
shouldn't
to
even
say-
touch any of those accounts. Just do the any Project X accounts that you have.
That's what I'm saying. I think I should not touch any of those. Look at the ES. When again in our buy box, it's trying to hold. Will it go a little lower to 66 or to that 64 there? Division power indicator. If it fails that, it could go even 53 here on the minor zone. So be careful chasing the longs. The longs to me are not great unless you're above 650 and you sustain above that 650. You need to be above 650 for the long and sustain above that 650. Does that make sense, everybody? And you need to be careful of that potential sweep all the way to the red dash at 415 Versa and shoulder 4-hour chart. That would take the market by surprise. And I see my cryptos are shitting the bed this morning again. I'm really starting to be so annoyed with those altcoins. I was starting with 11.5. I went to 19,000 on Friday. I had Zcash. I was doing extremely well. I had ICP. I was doing extremely well. And like an idiot, I didn't take it, and I'm back at 13.7. I'm really thinking I'm going to take this stuff and put it in my options account. I'm starting to be so annoyed. Can you? No, you guys can. Here, update on the crypto gambling account. 13.7. It's annoying. It's really annoying. You know. I don't know. Maybe I'm better off putting it in a personal future account. I don't know. I feel that with all those accounts that I have, there's no need for a personal future. Like I keep on trying to remember what Travis tells me all the time, right?
Yeah, you keep mentioning it, but yeah, you have so many funded accounts now with the props. Don't just use that money for something else.
Well, the good money for that would be those shorts here start looking good. I'm wondering if I'm taking more shorts. If we go below the 80, there are more shorts with. I need to see the Russell. Let's put the Russell a little higher.
Yeah, it's got to get below the 80. It's holding that, but
No, but look, the Russell is going down. The ES is going down. I want to see the ES sweeping down to the 64.53 area, somewhere in this bubble right there. We want this ES to sweep here. Potential inverse head and shoulder here on the 4-hour. Volume indicator was telling you to not chase that long. See, this was net seller, net seller, net seller, and this was higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows. There was a huge divergence there. You don't want to fight the volume indicator. It's hard to show you the accounts and have the volume. I need to see the volume indicator at least. Maybe I should put it, hold on. Control Z, like this, and I should put this like this. I mean, great day so far. There's no doubt. But the intranight was the easy play. This is why, like right now, I'm going to do the micro, Travis. Make sense? Micros, 1 and 5, 1 and 7. Protect all the nice profit of the day, guys. Do you think you can up your likes, our likes, guys? Likes and comments would be nice. We have only 6 likes. Do you think we can break 10 before I go to the gym? depressing.
Order filled.
Huh? This is a lot of ping pong here, right, Travis?
I'm still bullish as long as it stays above the 580.
We're starting the chop, guys. See? 566, 640, 635, it's the chop. We're starting the chop. And I don't trade chop usually. I make my money and I run for the morning like I showed you. I killed all my top step accounts. I got back my, what's my other account, Travis? My XFA back on track. I like the regain of 640, 650 and up, but until it happens, the longs are not there. It's still a signal chop because you need to be careful of this potential hand and shoulder on the 4 hour with the power indicator bottom box retest at 430, 450. You need to be careful of that trap, okay? And this is why I was going short this morning and long intranight and short. And this is why I've killed all those accounts here. I mean, I killed all the accounts. If you count my top step profit and all those profits here, I'm over $20,000. So over $20,000 of profit, guys, not one red, all the trade of it accounts green, all the top step project X green, right? The only thing I have not traded this morning is my straight to funded TraderFi, Project X, and Lucid Direct. Yeah. But be careful. The power indicator tells you if we are not sustaining above 650, the shorts are in command to that inverse head and shoulder, bottom of the edge of the calculator for 100% buy. It's all probability from the patented tools here. I just follow the tools and I show you the tools in a very rare way, which most founders do not trade live. And I trade live, on Tuesday and Wednesday with you guys. All live. All live. On the day trading screen, the ES is sideways, possibly going to 64.53. Possible completion of 2470 on the Russell. So I still think they might dump it. Be careful of that 635 rejection down. I am observing how they behave around 635, 650, Travis, for the short. Make sense? We can give a giveaway before I go to the gym. Do one of the tools. Who wants any of the tools? Anybody? Instead of paying $200 a month for it or $97 for a month, I might get a special offer for Thanksgiving. Yeah. What about getting them for free? Anybody? If you say yes, then we might do a thing. Otherwise, I'm looking here those areas if they form a little bit of a head and shoulder, even on the 1 minute Travis, around the 1620, 620. Are you long, Travis, now?
No, I'm locked out of my accounts right now. I lost money. I made a little bit on the down move, and then I lost money when it was trying to go up. So I locked out. I'm down money in my XFA again. So yeah, I'm done for now. I might come back in the afternoon, might not.
Yeah, I'm thinking we are going down. That's my thinking, as a matter of fact.
Order filled.
I might take a
If I would say if I was still trading, I would still be trying to long off this 580 as long as it stays above that.
520 and 450 is a much better buy on the 4 hour with the power indicators. But that division is clear. If we hold 650, guys, and go above it, retest it high or low, that might be a good long. But right now, below 650, I'm on the short camp, especially with the Russell dropping towards the red dash, Travis, here at 468 on the right side there. And on the left side, you have the ES dropping its way slowly but surely to 64.54. So I'm still more on the short side. We'll look at a couple of stocks from the retirement account before we leave, if we have the time. Let's set up, let's see, for the giveaway. StreamYard. Each time I try to do these giveaways, I miss the HTTPS. Travis, can you let me know if there's a 630, 650 coming up?
Sure.
Thanks. Because I'm trying to set up the giveaway thing. It's doing the same stuff as last time. HTTPS. /streamyard.com. Okay, that's fine. / If you remember, it's giveaway or giveaways. Okay, we found it. Okay, guys. Let's see who is winning this. I'll give you a tool. The winner will have to send us an email at contact@powerindicators with 3 digits. When we have those 3 digits, we know it's you. You come back here, you give us the 3 digits, and we'll send you access. You'll send us also your TradingView access account, and then we'll know it's you guys. Here goes the 630. So let's do the drawing. See who wins.
Hey, you won, Mark.
We won. We don't have to give anything. Let's try again. Draw again. That was funny. I think it's the first time we win, no? Isn't it?
Yeah, I don't remember you winning before.
Charles, you win anything. So let me know what you need, Charles, and we'll set you up. Is that Charles Ward? Charles 66. Is that you?
I think it is.
I don't know if it's the Charles. Charles, let me know what you need, okay? If it's Charles from our private group, let us know. I will give you. Volume indicator continues tanking, guys. Look at this. We'll do another giveaway later on. I'll do a couple of giveaways. Well, $20,000 in profit. Is it time to stop for the day? Top Step killing it. $10,000 yesterday. Maybe it is. Maybe it is, Tom. You know?
Charles, do you need any of the tools? Do you have everything? Do you have the critical time frame?
Travis, it's shopping in the 30-point range right now. I'm not really interested in playing that shit, guys. What did he say?
He said it's Charles Ward, but I don't know if he needs any tools.
No, that's what I thought it was, Charles. Okay.
I was pretty sure.
Volume indicator continues tanking, guys. So
yeah, he has everything. So Charles, maybe remind Mark, send him a message on school to do a 15-minute or 30-minute one-on-one with him? Since you have all the tools.
Did I tell you one-on-one?
You did not, but he doesn't have he doesn't need anything. So
Okay, I'm joking. It's fine. I know Charles. Charles has my personal phone number. So, guys, chop, 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 chop. The longer we chop below this 640, we have a chance of going this 4-hour inverse head and shoulder to the power indicator at 450, 430. Be careful of the ES tanking to 654 and 664 and 654. And look at the Russell, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low to the power indicator. So far, I've done, here's the move I've done. I went on the long side on the top of the box, 4 hours on the power indicator to the 828, made a shitload of money since last night, took the short. Unfortunately, my take profit was too tight. I could have killed maybe $10,000 on all the take profit trader account. Instead, what did I do on them? I did 3,800, 3,800, 4,000, but I'm eligible for payout, guys. 1, 2, 3. I could take 4, 4, 4, and 5. So I could take at least $10,000 in payout now from those Pro Plus account, Pro account. And by the way, one account, I think is this one. They don't want to see me anymore. That's the one I was showing you on the community post from last night on Skull, right? That they say, Mark, we don't like you, but we like you. Look. So I posted in our 300 plus people group here, which you can join for free in the description below, by the way. And I was showing the guys last night that I did a $10,000 day like an idiot. And each time you do a $10,000 day with those idiots, I mean, they are not idiots. They are the best firm, by the way. I take that back. But when you do $10,000 profit in one day with them, then they force me to the live account, which is fine. The split is 90-10, no consistency rule, no cap on payout. It's fine. What I don't like with that is sometimes you have to wait a week or 2 weeks before they send me up. You know, I'll be my second live Pro Plus account this year in 2025. I finally lost one, Travis, the one that I had a small balance. I lost it, and it's a good thing because I replaced it by a 150K Pro account. Does that make sense? The Pro account that I told you.
Upgrade.
What?
You gave it an upgrade.
Well, I had about $1,700 left. I kept on fighting with MNQ. This is an account. This is a Pro Plus account, guys, that I had since March. April, May, June, July, August, September. 8 months I had the freaking live account. Just that alone, compared to the average trader that 90% of the trader lose their funded account or live account in 30 days. So this was an accomplishment, but I lost it. So all I did is I switched. I lost it, and as the day I lost it, I activated a pro account. So this is the way I've done it. And so now the problem now, which is not a problem, is this account they want to send me now again to the Pro Plus. So I think I play my cards pretty well. Because I'll have those 4 Pro account, right? And I will where is it? Yes, but this one is not looking too good. This 146 there, Travis. This one is not looking hot. It's like I'm fighting to keep this one. So I will have 1, 2, 3, and 4, but this one is going to live.
Here's your short coming now. New lows.
I told you guys. I gave it to you 20 times. The head and shoulder there on the 4 hours. Look, I told you. Yeah, it is. And how does that look here? That looks good, actually.
Order filled.
I'm going to add. I was trying to trade a little bit on the top step account, but I'm trying to
Order filled.
I'm trying to go slow, man. I'm trying to go so slow on top step, man. It's a good thing, it's a bad thing, I don't know. What was that low there? They just created the IB low for the day. They might retest it now. The 60.
Well, the IB low is higher. We're below the IB low right now. The IB low is that
Order
561.
filled.
Yeah. Say that again. I'm sorry.
The IB low is 561. We're at it right now.
Order filled.
Well, they should complete now. They are so close to 450 to sweep to that 450 area. I would be them. I would complete. Maybe they retest 580. I'm observing this ES here, 680 support. Is that really back to 680? No, 865, sorry. It should be back to 861 and 852. So probably shorting this 870, 570, 580 now. But you need to do a quick short because they are going to have a lot of buyers coming at that head, inverse head and shoulder, guys. Tiens, let me put and let's look at it like this.
Order filled.
Yeah, I had a little short on the micros here going on. 580s, guys, they might retest and short. And here we go, 580, 585.
Order filled.
I just added a micro short here. I'm going very slowly. I told you 1 and 5 micros here. I'm not going to screw it up. I have too many accounts on top step that are close to pass. I am not screwing up. I am not even screwing up. This could have been the sweep here, holding the IB.
Yep, that might have been it. I mean,
it still looked like an inverse head and shoulder, but it's not perfectly going to the power indicator at the 460 area. Oh, wow, 585 now. Let's see. Travis, take it over. I need to be right back. I need to do a quick thing. The safe trade, guys, is going to look at the long around this 520, 450, guys. The safe trade, if you look at your 4-hour chart here for structure, that will be your safer trade, the long. Okay.
So at this point, I mean, we're holding above the IB low. Again, that's the 561. So we swept below it. This is what we look for with a failed auction. So this would be a failed downside auction. It swept below the initial balance low. It still has another 18 minutes to confirm. But if this 30-minute bar closes above the IB high, that 561, then that is a confirmation of a failed downside auction, at least for the moment, and would be a bullish signal for a long. Again, we have to wait, 17 minutes for it to actually confirm that, and a lot can happen. The price can go anywhere in the next 18 minutes. So it could go much higher, and you miss out on good trade location, waiting for the confirmation, or it could just go back lower and continue towards that red dash and towards Mark's target to the downside there. But key is going to be, if we get back to that 561 in the next 15 minutes, what does it do? Does it hold it as support, or is it going to fail it again? So far, it's showing bullish off of the IB low, but anything can happen.
This is my gym time. I think it might go one more time on the downside, guys. I think it might go. I don't know. This is higher low. We were forming a higher low. We had a low at 493 yesterday, Travis. Now we have a 525. Maybe it's forming higher lows here. Do you know what I mean? I'm still thinking you need to be careful of the inverse head and shoulder I showed you all morning. Makes sense? I am happy I did not trade much after taking all that money here. I've done extremely well today. Just on the Trade-of-It account. It's time for me to switch into the Trade-of-It Project X and Lucid Project X now. What's the IB low now?
561.
Remember, the longs are better above 640, 650. That's where you get a huge rally, Travis.
Yep. I was telling them that we still have 15 minutes to confirm on the on this 30-minute bar after the sweep below the IB low. But again, I mean, if we're going to hold above the IB high 561 and above that 580, I like the bullish push, the long, and it might not be a sustained long, but
we have $14,000 plus profit on the board today. This is more than $14,000 on the Trade-of-It account. So I don't know. I think now I should trade my Lucid accounts, because those I have not really made a lot of progress with those Lucid funded accounts. So I should really do that. Hold on, I want to see the power indicator. If I put the profits, I should really put the profits like this, so I can see the tail of my power indicator. I can see the net seller, net buyers. I can see the order flow with the support and resistance. Can you hear me, Travis?
Yep, we got you.
Yeah, this giveaway was distracting to me. I should have focused because I called it and I could have made, and I should have made a lot more money. I don't know, this thing is not looking. I might do a quick short here again.
Order
Order
filled.
filled.
I just took one on one account. Is it the right account? I guess it is. I'm trading micros on the one I made 3,870. So I'm short here. I'm going to put a stop loss. I guess what do you think, Travis? 605?
Yeah, no, I mean, it's tough for me to call because I'm still looking at it as bullish as long as it stays above the IB high or the IB low.
605.
I mean, maybe this most recent, the high of this 5-minute candle, 610. So I'd want to be above that, 615, 620, really.
Order submitted.
Yeah, 615. I'm going only one account at a time, guys. I told you, after I have a good morning like this with over $14,000 in profit, I don't screw it up. I go rotate. Plus, I should go at the gym, so like really, I should go at the hot room, take care of myself mentally. You know, mental capital is key in trading. The numbers of trades that you place is key. The size that you do is key. And stepping away from the screen. Most traders cannot step away from the screen. That's what makes the difference between huge winners in this game and people that gamble and give it back all day long, guys. Does that make sense, everybody on the feed? Give me a quick yes, no. Believe me, I've been around the block for too long, 30-something years. That's how traders give it back, guys. Well, that has been a good week on the stream, Travis. 10K yesterday, over 20 today, if you count all those top step accounts. I just need to get my mind for the afternoon if I see anything interesting on the Lucid trading. And if we hold that 450 area, look for longs in the next 2 days with this inversion there on the 4 hours around the power indicator bottom. That's probably what I've done. Let's look at my Lucid account. I think I suck at Lucid right now. Let me see. I just got those Lucid Direct. I'm not like doing super well, I think, on those. Let's look at them. I'm going to show you everything. All open. Nobody shows you hide shit all the time. Oh, the gym is calling me. But I'll do that before I leave. If I can detach the tab. Well, let's keep an eye on those shorts, even though it's for micros. Let me see. Oh, I'm making 30 bucks, 44 bucks. Maybe I'll add one micro, Travis, on this one. Just one.
Order
Order
filled.
filled.
Order
I
submitted.
just added one short, 5 micros. I should have gone with that account as well. This account has a ton of money this month.
Order
Testing
filled.
the IB low and holding it at the moment.
Yeah, I'm doing this one, but this one I'm doing a tight stop.
Order submitted.
Okay, now I have 2 going with some micros on the short side. And notice I'm taking the ones that have the biggest profit, so I don't have to give back too much. If I give back, I'll be $200 at most. Okay, now, what's going on with my Lucid account? Trying to figure out the Lucid. Even the TraderFi, I need it straight to fund it. I don't know how to detach. It's not allowing me to detach the tab for some reason. Yeah, this one. Let me stop my. I don't know why. Oh, dashboard. Maybe that's the problem. Lucid Direct. So Lucid, guys, there's only two firms that I this today I'm promoting. Take Profit Traders, the only one, always the best one. With the code PPI, you get 40% off and no activation fees. But I like very much this one now. The direct account, if you have the money and you have the skills. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of those. I really like it. I really like it. I'm not doing too well with them though. This one has an account balance of 151, 150, 149, 150, 148. So this one is losing 1,400, this one 900, this one 294, this one is making 1,000, this one is making 779. So I've not really had the chance. And notice what I was doing. I was telling you, Travis. Do you notice LucidX, 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 3 accounts? But then I go trade of 8, trade of 8. Do you see it, Travis? So look, you see it better like this. Do you see?
Yeah, we see it.
So what it does for me, it allows me within the same firm to get some diversification. I have a diversification between the Trade of 8 platform, but also between the Project X, LucidX, and I really like Lucid, guys. Let me show you. I'm going to show you what I like about Lucid. They have like a $6,000 drawdown on the straight to funded account. If you have skills and you know to pass them with a, so let me show you. Can everybody see the Lucid? Can you guys see Lucid on the feed?
Yeah, we see your web.
Yeah. So I like I think Lucid Direct is one of the best. I think it's probably better than the Trader 5 Lightning account. So if you can afford it, it's 504. But then they take maybe sometimes you have a discount. You can get them between 400 and 500. I don't dislike them because if it costs me $216 on Take Profit Trader to pass an account, plus a reset, it's $316, plus another reset, 400. I might as well go straight to funded. The problem is here you have a consistency rule of 20% when you are funded, Travis. So I cannot make more than 20% of the 9,000. So I think I cannot make more than $1,800 a day.
Wait, why? What's the 9,000? You don't have a target.
But you have to have. You have to do the consistency rule of 20%.
Yeah, but that's of your total profits. So that's just saying you can't take a payout until your highest winning day is less than 20% of your total profits. But there's no target. So when you're talking about 9,000 or you're targeting something, there is no target. It's just your.
I set my daily profit at $1,800.
Yeah,
Because I thought in my mind it was 9,000 times 20%, $1,800, and then do it for as many days as you need until you breach the 9,000 for your first payout.
I mean, if you want to aim for that, if you want to set a target for a payout, then you can do it that way.
That's what I did. That's how I blogged it. Anyhow, guys. I really like this firm. It's based in the US. I observed the CEO. I like it, and we're an affiliate. If you want to try it out, Code PPI, Sam. Those are only two firms right now that I promote. I like Trade Day, but I need to solve an issue with Trade Day.
It's funny that you won't promote Top Step yet. You give all these reasons why you don't like Top Step, but like this Lucid, it's good, but Top Step is better. And take profit, same thing. There's things with take profit that you don't like about Top Step, but you ignore it at take profit. It's just funny.
They all have their nuances. Take profit trader for me is a daily paycheck. Top Step, first of all, I have not even traded Top Step for 10 months because I was sick and tired of waiting for my other 50%. Okay, there's no firm on the planet that gives you 50% split. You know, even those guys, they give me 80-90% split.
Mark, it's not a 50% split.
But yeah, it is, because most traders don't make it 30 days. So, okay.
No. It's the split is not 50-50. When you take a payout, you keep 90% of that.
This guy and I will always argue. He only traded Top Step. Okay. I'm telling you guys, by experience, which is the experience of this and the payout, that the best firm in the industry, even proven by the kid who did $1.6 million last week, is to stick at take profit trader. That's number one. You go to the pro and you try to get out of the pro so that you have end of the day on the pro plus. No cap, no consistency, daily payout. No firm matches that. No firm. Because at the end of the day, even trade day, they don't let you take more than $5,000 in their funded account before they send you to live. And they only send you to live to 3 accounts. So trade day, I've not been able to get my payouts lately. So I'm trying to fix with them an issue. Okay. But Lucid, funding ticks also is a good one that I got some payout with. And take profit are the best in the industry besides Top Step. I don't say Top Step is bad. I'm coming back to Top Step. I'm just saying that if you go with Top Step, you need to go with the approach that you are going to have to be patient. You are going to say, I am okay not to have a payout for maybe 3 months, 6 months, 1 year, whatever it is. You are building an account at Top Step. You are building a career. In addition to that, they don't like if you over scalp. They don't like if you over reset. They don't like if you over take eval. They really want to foster good habits, which is fine. It helps me foster better habits for personal account. I will report back when I get my first $25,000 Top Step payout, Travis. Yeah, I cannot tell you it's the best because it's not my own experience. Neither is it your experience. You know,
it is my experience. I've only taken payouts from Top Step. I haven't taken payouts from any other firm, but that's because I haven't used any other firm.
Everything is in the numbers, guys. The best firm is the firm that pays me the most. Do we all agree on the stream? That's it.
Okay, and I'll argue this. Maybe it's the best for you, but you're promoting a company that has an intraday trailing drawdown on their sim funded and an 80-20 split as opposed to a 90-10 split. So that just doesn't make sense to me, but I understand your standpoint. So we did just close this 30-minute bar, and now it's fighting with the initial balance low, below it right now. So it was gaining above it, and then the sellers came in and pushed it down. It's not good enough for any kind of confirmation here, but it definitely looks a lot weaker than it did 10 minutes ago. So we might get the sweep down to the red dash now.
On Top Step, I'm trying to improve the number of this particular account right there. Okay, because this one is $2,700, $2,500 in passing. So I'm trying to improve this one with 2 NQ right now. Yeah, I think, look, guys, we had a great morning. Okay, I'm going to wrap it up. I will do more giveaways next week. The more you come, guys, the more we give you the software away for free. I don't mind giving 20 accounts for free and 20 licenses for the software so that you can try, but you have to come on Tuesdays and Wednesdays on our firm. Yesterday, we made $10,000. On the stream, actually, we had a beautiful trade yesterday of 120 points using the power indicator from one side to the other side. And today, over 14,000. So it's over $20,000 today. Okay. I love you all. I'm going to the Gym, see, very consistent. Coming, doing my thing, going to the gym, doing the intranight, doing the morning. By 11 a.m., I don't want to see the market until 6 p.m. to 9 p.m. I love you all, everybody. You take care, and we'll finish by our little song. Take care, everyone. Stay safe.
Never ever give up. I almost let go 1,000 times. Traded my sleep for a shot at consistency. Blood and tears fell through long, lonely weeks. My dream kept me going when I felt too weak. Whoa, never give up through blood, tears, and success. I am the unknown best YouTube trader, here to share, help me trade past to pay out. Together and invest in assets that produce income together.